Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome back to Higher Mathematics class, chapter 5, exercise 5.5. In this class, I am going to solve some problems of exercise 5.5. Problem 1. The sum of the areas of two square regions is 481 square meters. If the area of the rectangle formed by the two sides of the two square is 240 square meters. What are the lengths of a side of each of the squares? Solution: let length of a side of first square is equal to x meter and length of a side of second square is equal to y meter. Given sum of the areas of two square regions is 481 square meters. Therefore, according to first condition, you can write x square plus y square is equal to 481. Because if length of a square is x, then area of the square is x square. If length of a square is y, then area of the square is y square. Therefore, sum of the areas is x square plus y square, okay, is equal to 481 square meters. And mark this equation as 1. And second condition, if the area of the rectangle formed by the two sides of the two squares, that means if we form a rectangle with length x and breadth y, therefore area of the rectangle will be 240 square meters. Therefore, according to second condition, you can write xy is equal to 240, because we know area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Therefore, x into y is equal to 240. Okay, and mark this equation as 2. We can easily solve this type of problem using substitution method. Let's see. From 2 we get xy is equal to 240. Therefore, we can write x is equal to 240 by y. And mark this equation as 3. Now putting the value of x in 1, we get 240 by y whole square plus y square is equal to 481. Now multiplying both sides by y square and taking all terms in left side of the equal sign, we get y to the power 4 minus 481 y square plus 240 square, that means 57,600 is equal to 0. Now applying middle term factor, we can easily solve this. We can separate 481 into 256 and 225. Now using middle term factor, we get y square minus 256 into y square minus 225 is equal to 0. Product of this two is equal to 0, that means either this is equal to 0 or this is equal to 0. That means we get y square is equal to 256 or y square is equal to 225. From here we get y is equal to 16, and from here we get y is equal to 15. Now putting y is equal to 16 in 3, we get x is equal to 15, and putting y is equal to 15 in 3, we get x is equal to 16. That means if length of a square is 16 meter, then length of another square is 15 meter. Okay. Therefore, the length of side of two squares are 15 meters and 16 meters. Clear? I hope it is. Now problem 2. The sum of the squares of two positive numbers is 250. The product of the numbers is 117. Find the two numbers. Very easy. The two positive numbers are x and y. Therefore, according to first condition, you can write x square plus y square is equal to 250. And according to second condition, you can write xy is equal to 117. This math is similar as previous one, so do yourself. Problem 3. The length of a diagonal of a rectangle is 10 meters. The area of a rectangle whose sides are the sum and difference of the sides of the former one is 28 square meters. Find the length and breadth of the former rectangle. Solution: let the length of first rectangle is equal to x meter and breadth of first rectangle is equal to y meter. Therefore, according to first condition, given that the length of a diagonal of a rectangle is equal to 10 meters. আমরা যদি একটা রেক্টেঙ্গেল নিই যার লেন্থ x এবং ব্রেথ y, তাহলে ডায়াগোনাল দিয়ে যে ট্রায়াঙ্গেল ফর্ম করবে রেক্টেঙ্গেলের, সেই ট্রায়াঙ্গেলটা কি রাইট অ্যাঙ্গেল ট্রায়াঙ্গেল হবে না? এবং ডায়াগোনালটা হবে কি রাইট অ্যাঙ্গেল ট্রায়াঙ্গেলের হাইপোটেনাস। এখন তোমরা বলো তো, যদি একটা রাইট অ্যাঙ্গেল ট্রায়াঙ্গেলের বেস থাকে x এবং হাইট থাকে y, তাহলে হাইপোটেনাসটা কি হবে? তাহলে হাইপোটেনাসটা হবে স্কয়ার রুট অফ x স্কয়ার প্লাস y স্কয়ার by Pythagoras theorem. Therefore, we can write diagonal is equal to square root of x square plus y square, and given diagonal is equal to 10 meters. Therefore, this is equal to 10 meters. Okay. Therefore, x square plus y square is equal to 100, and mark this equation as 1. আমাদের ফার্স্ট রেক্টেঙ্গেলের আমরা লেন্থ ধরেছি x এবং ব্রেথ ধরেছি y। এখন এমন একটা রেক্টেঙ্গেল ফর্ম করতে হবে যার লেন্থ হবে এই দুইটার সাম এবং ব্রেথ হবে এই দুইটার ডিফারেন্স। তাহলে তার এরিয়া হবে 28 স্কয়ার মিটারস। Therefore, according to second condition, you can write x plus y into x minus y is equal to 28. Now, applying the formula of a plus b into a minus b, you get x square minus y square is equal to 28. And mark this equation as 2. We can easily solve this type of equation using elimination method. Adding 1 and 2, we get cancelling y square, we get 2x square is equal to 128, and dividing by 2 on both sides, you get x square is equal to 64. As x is positive number, therefore x is equal to 8. Okay. Now, putting the value of x in 1, we get 8 square plus y square is equal to 100, or y square is equal to 100 minus 64, or y square is equal to 36. Therefore, y is equal to 6. Now, problem 4. The sum of squares of two numbers is 100 into 1, and the product of the numbers is 90. Find the difference of the squares of the two numbers. Solution: the two numbers are x and y. According to first condition, x square plus y square is equal to 181, and according to second condition, xy is equal to 90. We have to find the difference of the square of these two numbers. আমি আশা করছি তোমরা এটা খুব ইজিলি সলভ করতে পারবে, so do yourself. Problem 5. The area enclosed by a rectangle is 24 square meters. The length and breadth of another rectangle are respectively 4 meters and 1 meters more than the length and breadth of first rectangle, and the area enclosed by the latter rectangle is 50 square meters. Find the length and breadth of the first rectangle. Solution: let length of the first rectangle is equal to x meter and breadth of the first rectangle is equal to y meter. Therefore, according to first condition, given the area enclosed by a rectangle is 24 square meters, therefore xy is equal to 24, and mark this equation as 1. And according to second condition, the length and breadth of the another rectangle are respectively 4 meters and 1 meters more than the length and breadth of the first rectangle. Here, length of the first rectangle is x, so length of the another rectangle is x plus 4, and breadth of the first rectangle is y. Therefore, breadth of the another rectangle is y plus 1. Therefore, according to second condition, x plus 4 into y plus 1 is equal to 50 square meters. Okay, and mark this equation as 2. Now, using substitution method, you can easily solve this, so do yourself. Now problem 6. Twice the breadth of a rectangle is 23 meters more than its length. If the area enclosed by the rectangle is 600 square meters, find the length and breadth of the rectangle. Solution: let the length of the rectangle is x and breadth of the rectangle is y. According to first condition, twice the breadth, that means twice y, is 23 meter more than its length. That means twice y is equal to x plus 23. Okay. And according to second condition, the area of the rectangle is 600 square meters. Therefore, xy is equal to 600. Now using substitution, you can easily solve this type of problems. So do yourself. Problem 7. The perimeter of a rectangle is 8 meters more than the sum of its diagonals. If the area enclosed by the rectangle is 48 square meters, find its length and breadth. Let length of the rectangle is x meter and breadth of the rectangle is y meter. We know perimeter of the rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. Therefore, according to first condition, 2 into x plus y is 8 meters more than the sum of its diagonal. We know in a rectangle there are two diagonals and one diagonal is square root of x square plus y square. Therefore, two diagonals is 2 into square root of x square plus y square. And perimeter is 8 meters more than the sum of the diagonals. Therefore, perimeter is equal to 2 square root of x square plus y square plus 8. And mark this equation as 1. And according to second condition, area of the rectangle is 48. Therefore, x is equal to 48. And mark this equation as 2. এখানে 2 কমন নিয়ে ডিভাইড করলে আমরা কি পেয়ে যাব বলো তো x plus y is equal to square root of x square plus y square plus 4 এবং 4টাকে যদি আমরা লেফট সাইডে নিয়ে এসে যদি হোল স্কয়ার করি তাহলে আমরা x স্কয়ার এবং y স্কয়ার সম্বলিত একটা ইকুয়েশন পেয়ে যাব। তাহলে x স্কয়ার এবং y স্কয়ার সম্বলিত ইকুয়েশন পেলাম এখানে, আর এখানে xy সম্বলিত ইকুয়েশন পেয়ে গেলাম। তাহলে এই ম্যাথটা প্রবলেম 1 এর সিমিলার হয়ে গেল। তাহলে অবশ্যই তোমরা সলভ করতে পারবা প্রবলেম 1 এর মতো করে। In this way, complete exercise 5.5 and submit in your group within 3 days. Thank you.